In this video, we are going to discuss about C++ operators. Operator is one of the most important topics in computer programming. Before we proceed, let us define first what is operator. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform a specific mathematical comparison or logical manipulations. These are the symbols that perform operations and calculations on variables and values. Ang focus ng video nito ay ang arithmetic operators. Most of you are already familiar with arithmetic operations since these are also discussed in your mathematics subjects. For other operators, I will just create separate videos para hindi naman humaba yung ating discussion sa video na ito. C++ is very rich in built-in operators and provide the following types of operators. Number one, arithmetic operators. Ito yung familiar na kayo. Ito yung tinatawag nating for mathematical operations. So we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. May isang arithmetic operator sa programming na dinagdag at very useful ito. No? Ito yung tinatawag na modulus division. Ang symbol niya is percentage sign. It returns remainder instead of quotient. Mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo, I will create small programs demonstrating these arithmetic operators. Lahat ng operators, gagawin ko ng example para mas lalo nyong ma-appreciate ang gamit ng operators. Second, we have basic assignment operators. Na-discuss ko na yan sa aking mga previous tutorial videos, ang assignment operators. Pero dito, pag-uusapan natin yung combination ng assignment at arithmetic operators. Then we have relational operators or yung comparison operators. Ginagamit ito kung need nating mag-compare ng values. Ito yung equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, or combinations of greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Madalas natin ginagamit ito no, sa pag-construct ng conditions, lalong-lalo na sa if statement. Next is Boolean or logical operators. Kailan natin ito ginagamit? You can use Boolean operators not if you want to reverse the condition. Yung and naman, and operator, at saka yung or, if you want to combine several conditions. Magkakaroon din tayo ng examples dito no, sa aking sa mga separate videos. Lastly, we have bitwise operators. Bitwise operators perform operations on integer data at individual bit level. These operations include testing, setting, or shifting the actual bits. I will discuss these operators in separate video. As I've mentioned, we will be focused on arithmetic and assignment operations on this video. Operators, literals, and variables are used to form expression, either mathematical or logical expression. As I've said, assignment operator has been mentioned in my earlier lessons or previous videos. Pwede nyo nalang panoorin yung mga nauna kong mga tutorial videos para ma-review nyo about assignment operators. Let's review the architecture of Central Processing Unit. Para sa mga ICT or IT students, napag-aralan or mapag-aaralan nyo ito sa inyong computer fundamentals. Inside the CPU, we have the control unit and arithmetic logic unit. So dito sa arithmetic logic unit, nangyayari yung pagpe-perform ng arithmetic and logical operations. For example, two operands might be added together or compared logically. It depends on the series of instruction na ibibigay ng ating computer program. So yung instruction nang gagaling yan sa computer program na gagawin mo na ipe-perform naman ng ating central processing unit. I hope you are already familiar with four basic arithmetic operations. So we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Ang pinagkaiba lang dito yung symbol ng multiplication. Kasi sa math subjects, ang ginagamit na symbol for multiplication is X, di ba? Pero dito sa programming, ang symbol for multiplication is asterisk. For addition, subtraction, and division, same lang yung symbol. Nakita nyo dito yung example, no? Nag-initialize tayo ng dalawang variables, X and Y. In-apply natin yung addition. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So yung 14 ang magiging output since ginamitan natin siya ng cout para mag-display ng result. Sa subtraction naman, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So 4 naman ang kanyang output. Then sa multiplication, ang symbol is asterisk. 9 times 5 is 45. Yun naman ang ating output. Sa division, nagde-depend sa data type ng operands, yung magiging quotient mo. Pag both operands are integers, integer quotient ang result. Meaning, natatruncate yung decimal or fractional part. So instead na 1.8, nagiging 1 na lang ang quotient. Ang tawag dito is integer division. But if one of the operands is float o yung tinatawag nating real number, the quotient is also float o yung tinatawag nating exact quotient or real division ang tawag dito. So again, ito yung tinatawag na real division. So again, no, kapag integer division, integer ang quotient mo, nawawala yung fractional part. Kapag naman real division, eksakto yung quotient mo. Meron siyang decimal part. Ang medyo kakaiba pa dito sa programming, meron tayong tinatawag na modulus division operator. Ang symbol niya bali is percentage sign. Ang nire-return niya ay remainder instead of quotient. As you progress in studying C++ programming, you will realize na very useful yung tinatawag nating modulus division. So sa ating example, 9 modulo 5 is equal to 4. Kasi nga, 9 divided by 5 is 1. Remainder, 4. So yung remainder, result, yung nire-return ng operator na ito. So, yung terminologies ko mga palang binabanggit, no, same din sa inyong mathematics. Ang result ng addition is sum, sa subtraction, ang result is difference, sa multiplication, product, sa division naman is quotient, and sa modulus, ang result is remainder. Now, ano naman itong unary? Anyway, we will have a separate discussion on this. Yung unary minus, ginagamit ito kung gusto niyo i-reverse yung sign ng value or variable. Kung positive siya, gagawin niyang negative. Kung negative naman, gagawin niyang positive. Nakita niyo yung example dito? Yung x is positive 9. Inaplayan natin ng unary minus, naging negative 9. So variable y naman is negative 5. Inaplayan natin ng unary minus, naging positive 5. Lastly, we have unary increment and unary decrement. Ang ginagawa naman ito, no, nag-i-increase or nagdi-decrease ng 1 sa value ng operand. Tingnan natin ang example dito. Yung x is 9, then in-applyan ng unary increment, naging 10. Yung last example natin, in-applyan ng unary decrement, from 9, naging 8. Anyway, magkakaroon tayo ng mga example programs pa para mas lalong nyo maintindihan ang lahat ng mga arithmetic operators. Ang next kong gagawin, magke-create ako ng program, mga small programs illustrating or demonstrating these arithmetic operators. So let's do the coding. Gagamit tayo ng ONLINEGDB. So open natin yung ating ONLINEGDB. Meron akong ginawang code, no? Para mas mabilis tayo. So sinelect ko lang yan tapos i-copy ko na lang. Okay, then select natin yung C++ dito. Alright, so ito yung ating program. Nag-declare ako ng dalawang variable, integer, 9 and 5. So, in-add nyan. This is additional operation. Okay, so additional to, no? Addition. Okay, this is subtraction. Okay, this is multiplication. This is division. And this is modulus operation. Okay? So this is unary increment. Open ko na lang. Yung last natin is unary decrement naman. Okay, so i-run na natin. By the way, magkakaroon ako ng separate example for the unary operation. Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na post and pre. So, i-run na natin to. Let's see yung output. Alright, so ito na, no? So, we have 14, which is the sum of 9 and 5. Difference of 9 minus 5 is 4. The product is 45, so correct. Then, 1, kasi 9 divided by 5 is 1 remainder 4. So, itong dalawa na yon. So, integer quotient ang kinukuha niya rito. Kasi, ang dinivide natin is parehong integer. So, magkakaroon tayo ng mga different example for this kung kailan siya nagkakaroon ng decimal fraction. So, in this case, integer quotient ang nilabas niya. Then, nag-increment tayo, 9 plus 1 becomes 10. So, kaya 10 ang lumabas. So, sa y naman, 5 siya. So, nag-unary decrement tayo, minus 1. Ang increment, decrement, laging by 1 yun. No? Okay, so naging 4 din siya. So, mas maganda, lagyan natin ito ng message kasi kung output na ganito lang makikita natin, puro numbers, ano mang meaning yan? So, lalagyan natin ng ano, no? So, maganda, display muna natin yung values niya. So, sabihin natin value of x equal to, kinopya ko na lang, okay? X, para tipid tayo sa case. Tapos, maglagay tayo dito ng ENDL. Then, ito naman is your y. Okay. Then, lagyan natin ng blank line. Yan, okay. Then, ito, no? Sabihin natin, addition. Addition. X plus y is equal to. Yan. So, ito yung magiging resulta niyan. Then, we have subtraction. Para mas maganda basahin yung ating output. So, lagay tayo ng colon. Tapos, pantay natin. So, x minus y is equal to. Okay. Then, you have multiplication. So, pantay lang natin. X asterisk y is equal to. Yan. Then you have division. X divided by y is equal to. Ito yung ating result. Okay, then modulus or remainder. So x. So bakit ko inuulit? Kasi yung tinatype ko rito, yun yung lalabas na string, no? Tapos ito talaga yung magko-compute diyan. Okay? And then you have the increment operator. So lagyan natin dito, no? Unary increment. So usog pa natin para pantay. Isa pa. Okay. Then sabi natin dito x plus plus is equal to. So maganda ganito gawin natin, no? Dito na tayo mag x plus plus. Okay. Tanggalin na natin to. Pwede rin yan. So itong comment na to, ilipat ko na lang siya dito. Katulad nung example natin sa PowerPoint kanina, sa slides. Yan. So ito naman, ganun din, no? Decrement. Unary decrement. Unary decrement. Sabihin natin y minus minus is equal to. Tapos mag y minus minus na lang tayo rito. Yan. Kasi ito, ilipat ko itong comment na to dito sa line na to. Tapos tatanggalin ko na ngayon to. Tingnan natin much better na yung ating output dito. Okay, run natin. Compare natin dun sa output natin kanina, di ba, na puro numbers lang. Ito, parang may story na, no? Mas madaling maintindihan. So, ibig sabihin, yung value ng x mo is 9, your y is 5. Okay? Nang inad mo sila, naging 14. Nang minus mo sila, naging 4. So, multiplication, 45. Division is 1. Ang kanyang remainder is 4. Tapos nag-increment ka, kaya from 9, so dapat to magiging 10. Di ba? So ito, mukhang hindi siya na-applyan, no, ng kasi okay. Ang naging problema kasi nito, post ang ginamit ko, okay? At least maganda nakita nyo, no? So stop, ililipat ko siya sa pre. Anyway, meron tayong example, separate example dito sa pre. So lagay ko na lang dito, no? Pre-increment. Okay? Pre-decrement. So baguhin din natin yung string. Lagyan natin na ng pre-increment and pre-decrement. Then of course, lipat din natin yung kanyang plus sign at yung minus sa unahan para talagang eksakto na pre-increment at pre-decrement. So ito na natin, tingnan natin kung tama na yung ating program. Alright, mukhang tumama na, no? So yung ating x is 9, y is 5. So addition is 14. 9 minus 5 is 4. So multiplication is 45. Division is 1. Integer division kasi ito, kaya nawala yung point something. Then we have the modulo. Ito yung remainder na nawala, no? Sa integer division. Then the pre-increment, okay, yung 9 naging 10. Then yung 5 naging 4. So tama na yung ating program. Alright. Let's discuss about the precedence of arithmetic operators. We use operators to connect numeric constants and numeric variables to form an arithmetic expression or formula. Sa arithmetic or logical expression, pwedeng magkaroon ng maraming operators. In that case, which operators will be evaluated first? Operator precedence determines how the expression is evaluated. Okay? So meron tayong tinatawag na precedence of arithmetic operators. In general mathematics, particularly in algebra, gumagamit tayo ng PEMDAS, which stands for parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction para mag-calculate ng algebraic expression. Here in C++ programming, we follow this order of precedence. Almost the same din sa PEMDAS. Wala lang tayong exponent sa C++ programming. Pero may modulus division naman dito. Ang highest priority pa din ang parenthesis, followed by multiplication, division, and modulus. And last in priority is the addition and subtraction. As I've mentioned, we don't have exponent in C++ programming, but C++ provided POW o yung tinatawag na POW function, or we can also use loop statement to generate exponent operation. Meron akong separate video discussing the exponentiation in C++. Pwede nyo yung panoorin. Kung interested kayo paano gagamit ng exponentiation in C++. For operators with equal hierarchy, we need to perform left to right rule. Papakita natin sa example mamaya yung tinatawag nating left to right rule. The parenthesis is used to change the precedence of arithmetic operators. Kung may parenthesis, we need to evaluate first all operators inside the parenthesis. Try nating mag-solve ng arithmetic expression. Example number 1. So we have 13 times 4 plus 6 plus 8 times 2. Walang parenthesis. So ang next highest sa priority is multiplication. There are two multiplications here. So we will evaluate operators of the same priority from left to right. So step 1, ang ipe-perform natin yung 13 times 4. So that is equal to 52. Then step 2, sunod natin yung 8 times 2, which is 16. So ang natira na lang is addition and subtraction. And these operators are of equal precedence. So again, gagamit tayo ulit ng left to right rule. Addition first, so 52 plus 6 is 58. And lastly, we're going to perform subtraction. 58 minus 16 is 42. So the final value of this expression is 42. In example number 2, we have arithmetic expression with multiplication, division, and modulus operators. These operators are of the same priorities again. So, ang i-apply natin rule is left to right. Step 1, evaluate natin yung multiplication na nasa leftmost. 8 times 10 is 80. Step 2, perform natin yung division. 80 divided by 4 is 20. Step 3, multiplication. 20 times 3 is 60. And lastly, o pinaka-last step natin, yung modulus division. 60 modulo division 7 is 4. Bakit 4? Kasi 7 times 8 is 56. So meron tayong remainder 4. Last example natin for arithmetic operator precedence, we have example number 3. So, open parenthesis, 9 plus 5, close parenthesis times 6, modulus division 10. So, yung step 1, yung nasa loob muna ay ng parenthesis, ang ipe-perform natin. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Second step, i-perform natin ngayon yung multiplication. 14 times 6 is equal to 84. At yung last operator na i-perform natin is modulus division. 84 modulus division 10 is equal to 4. So this example shows that parenthesis is used to change the precedence of arithmetic operators. Take note, it is very important to follow the correct hierarchy. So, I'm going to show you, no, kapag hindi nyo pinalo yung hierarchy, magkakaproblema or mamamali yung result natin. So, let's check on these two examples. The same expression, but generate different results. In example number 1, it follows wrong hierarchy. Nag-add muna siya, no, before performing division. So, nangyari, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So, ang result niya is 5, which is wrong. Sa example number 2 naman, it follows correct hierarchy. Division first, then addition. So, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So, mas tama ang 7. So, again, no, kung hindi nyo ipapalo ang correct hierarchy, so magge-generate kayo ng wrong value. So, it is very important to follow yung tinatawag nating order of precedence. So, ang susunod kong i-discuss yung arithmetic expression. So, when you say arithmetic expression, so it is a combination of variable or constant and several or different operators. So, katulad ng mga example natin dito na 1 to 15. So, madalas ginagawa itong activity sa school, no, sa mga programming subjects. You are told to compute this manually. Pero dito, ipapakita ko kung paano natin to isosolve. No? Diretso tayo sa C++ programming. So, pwede nyo gawin ito, no, para ma-verify yung sagot nyo. Let's say, ang required talaga is mag-manual computation kayo. I-solve nyo muna to sa C++, then saka nyo i-check yung sagot nyo kung tatama. For example, ito, no? We have addition and modulo division. So, ang mas higher priority, si modulo division. So, uunahin mo na to. So, 23 modulo division 10 is 3, no? Kasi remainder 3. Then, plus 10. So, 13 ang sagot dito. Okay? So, kung magkamali ka ng precedence o yung nauna mo yung addition, example ito, no? 10 plus 23, 33. Then modulo 10, 3 na ang sagot. So, mamamali ka na ng sagot. Okay? So, kailangan susundan pa rin natin yung PEMDAS rule. Yung exponent naka-red kasi wala namang hindi nag-provide si C++ ng exponent operator. Unlike sa Python, no, merong asterisk asterisk for exponent. Pero nagagawa naman kasi ng paraan ng exponent, no? So you can use yung iteration or loop, tapos i-multiply mo na lang siya sa sarili niya ng number of times. Or you can also use POW or power function para ma-achieve yung exponent operator. So meron siyang equivalent, kahit na wala siyang inalat na operators para dito sa exponent. Okay, so gagawin ko to, isosolve ko to, gagawa ako ng C++ program. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano to ma-solve using C++ program. So i-code na natin yung ating mga arithmetic expression. So ito yung kaninang program natin. Tanggalin ko na muna to hanggang dito. Yan, tapos itabi muna natin yan para mas malaki yung ating screen. Then copy and paste ko yung problem kanina. Okay, yung exercises. So, para mas madali tayo for demonstration purposes, itong first 3 lang muna ang gagawin natin. Okay? So, ganito yung gagawin nyo dyan. Applyan nyo lang ng cout, then insertion operator. May pantay-pantay natin to. Equal. Then, insertion operation ulit. Then, ang kokopy mo na ng value yung expression. Yan. Then, copy mo rito. Then, lagyan natin ng ENDL para mag-move yung cursor pababa. Then, cout ulit. Yan. So, pasok lang natin ng konti. Dito, cout ulit to. First 3 numbers lang muna gagawin natin. Kasi medyo tedious to, no? Okay, then copy natin yung expression. Kung magaling kayo sa Excel, mas mapapadali yung pag-convert natin, no? At pag-create ng cout statement. Then close natin to. Then insert operator, then yung expression. Ayan. Then paste natin ulit. Then maglagay tayo ng ENDL dito. Ayan. Okay, then close muna natin. So ganito lang ang pag-solve dyan ng arithmetic expression using C++. Okay na ba? Check pa natin. Wala namang nakalimutan. Okay, run na natin. Oh, may error. ENDL natin dito, kulang ng L. Run natin ulit. Alright, tumama na siya. No? So medyo pantayin lang natin. At dito, kulang tayo ng equal sign. Pagandahin lang natin. Then pantayin natin lahat ng mga equal dito. Alright. Tapos ito, wala ring equal, ano? Yan. Pantay din natin. Yan. So, i-run na natin ulit. Alright. Mukhang tama na, no? So, check natin. 23 modulo 10 is 3 plus 10 is 13. So, tama siya. So, nasa parenthesis to. Unahin muna natin to. 50 times 2 is 100. Alright. So, tama yung ating first 3 items. So, bigay ko na sa inyo yung kompleto, no? For the 15 items, ito na siya. Ito na yung code. Then, i-run natin. So, ito naman yung output. Ang next na i-discuss ko ay yung unary minus. You may encounter this operator in algebra or mathematics subject. The unary minus operator, which uses the symbol dash, negates the value of the operands. The unary minus operator changes the sign of its arguments. A positive number becomes negative and a negative number becomes positive. For example, If the variable quality has the value of 9, unary minus quality becomes negative 9. Another example, if variable balance is equal to negative 5, unary minus balance becomes positive 5. Let us run sample code in online GDB. Nakabukas na yung aking online GDB at meron na akong nakareading codes. Kaka-copy and paste ko na lang sa ating online GDB. So in this program, we have two variables. Variable quality with initial value of positive 9 and variable balance with initial value of negative 5. Yung first two cout statement natin is to display the current value ng quality at yung balance. Yung last two cout naman natin, i-display niya yung unary minus or yung negated value ng quality at balance. So nag-apply ako dito ng unary minus sa quality at unary minus sa ating balance. So run na natin para makita na natin kung ano yung output ng ating program. Okay, so ito yung output. From positive 9 naging negative 9. From negative 5 naging positive 5. So ganun lang kasimple ang unary minus. So maganda, magbigay pa ako ng another example. So for the second example, ito yung aking code. Yan. Run natin. Okay, so ano ibig sabihin nito? So yung unang cout, addition of x and y. So bale 9 plus negative 5. So magiging 9 minus 5 yan. Kaya ang result is positive 4. So ito yung bali nangyari dyan. Ano? So yung x natin, ito lagyan natin ng comment. Yan. So yung x natin 9 plus yung ating y which is negative 5. So is equal to 4 kasi actually magiging 9 minus yan 5 yan eh. Okay? Which is equal to 4. So ganyan na mangyayari dyan. So for the second cout naman, bale, compute natin muna yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay? Convert natin to sa sa actual values. Ito mangyayari diyan. Okay? So 9 plus negative 5, so parang 9 minus 5, so magiging positive 4. Then meron kang unary minus, magiging negative 4. So kaya ang result natin is negative 4 for the second cout. Yung third cout natin, so yung ating x and y parehong in-applyan ng unary minus. So ganito mangyayari dyan sa ating expression. So i-convert natin ng actual values niya. Okay? So yung x mo is 9, in-applyan natin ng unary minus, plus yung value ng y is negative 5, so in-apply natin ng unary minus. Now, ganito mangyayari dyan. Negative magiging positive yan. So para mangyayari dyan, ganito, no? So negative 9, so magiging plus positive 5 na siya kasi negative eh. Yun yung rule sa mathematics. Okay? So is equal to, so negative 9 plus 5 is negative 4. So yun yung output ng third cout natin. So yung last cout naman natin, so kung makikita mo, yung x lang yung in-applyan ng unary minus. So mangyayari dito, convert natin ng actual values niya. So minus, unary minus 9, then minus, then yung value ng y which is negative 5. So is equal to, so mangyayari dito, negative. So parang yung nangyari din sa third, ano? So negative 9 plus 5, which is negative 4. So negative 4 din yung kanyang output. Okay? So ganyan yung nangyari dyan. So yan yung ating output. So 4, negative 4, negative 4, and negative 4. In C++, modulus is performed using arithmetic operator symbol percentage. Modulus is also called modulo or modulus division. Same with division, this operator takes two operands, but instead of quotient, it returns the integer remainder. Unlike other operators, this modulus can only be used on integer values or variables, and the result is always integer remainder. Hindi ito pwede sa floating point numbers kasi mag-error ang program natin. Yung error niya is invalid operand of types float kung in case gamitin mo yan sa float numbers. Tulad ng nasa given example. So, mas maganda, itry natin to sa online GDB. So, yung ating program, so i-run natin. So, in-expect natin na mag-error ito kasi nga type of variable is float. So, hindi siya pwedeng gamitin sa modulus division. So, run natin. So, yan, nakita nyo yung error, invalid operands of type float. Okay? So, dahil yan dun sa line 7 dahil dito. Okay? So, try natin yan i-correct. So, ang gawin natin is palitan natin yung data type ng x, no? Gawin natin siyang integer. So, gawin ko tong integer. Pareho natin gawing integer. Okay? Then, of course, kailangan tanggalin na natin tong fractional part na to. Tsaka ito rin. So, gawin na lang natin 14 and 3. Okay? So, i-run natin. Yan. So, tumama na siya. Okay? So, kita nyo, yung first output natin, x integer division, y. So, integer division kasi pareho ng integer yan. So, ang result niya is 4. Bakit 4? Kasi 4 divided by 3 is 4 remainder 2. Di ba? Kasi 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14. So, tama, no? So, ang remainder natin is 2. So, yun yung result naman ng second cout natin ng modulus remainder. Okay? So, tama yung ating program. Ang next kong i-discuss ay yung rules sa division operator. Unlike sa modulus, division operator can evaluate integer and floating points or combination of these two data types. Pero ang result niya depende sa data type ng operands. If one of the operands is float, then the result is float. If both operands are integer, that's the only time na ang result niya is integer. And the fractional part is truncated. So makikita niyo sa first table, yung first row lang ang integer kasi both dividend and divisor are integer. So, nagiging integer division kapag parehong integer ang dividend at divisor na ino-operate niya. Natatruncated yung fractional part. Real division naman, pag isa sa mga dividend or divisor ay float. Exact quotient ang binibigay niya. Sa second table, pinapakita yung actual values. So, yung first row is 2, nawala yung 0.5. The rest is 2.5. Real division, which means exact quotient ang result. Kung i-discuss ay ang unary increment at decrement. Increment is used to increase the value of the operand or variable by 1. Samantalang yung decrement is used to decrease the value of a variable or operand by 1. The increment is represented by the plus plus symbol while the decrement is represented by minus minus symbol. Both the increment and decrement operators can either be prefix or postfix to the operand. Pre-increment and pre-decrement operators are placed in front of the operand. Post-increment and post-decrement operators are placed after the operand. Ito yung mga examples ng syntax ng prefix at postfix. Kapag prefix, nasa unahan yung plus plus or minus minus ng variable. Kapag postfix naman, nilalagay yung plus plus at minus minus after ng variable name. So ito yung pre-increment, ito naman yung pre-decrement, post-increment, at post-decrement. May difference ang prefix at postfix. Yung pre-increment at pre-decrement, mag-change muna ang value niya ng variable bago gamitin sa expression or assignment. Samantalang sa post-increment naman at post-decrement, gagamitin niya muna yung current value ng variable sa expression or assignment. After that, saka lang i-apply yung change sa value ng variable. Medyo nakakalito pero mas maganda mag-example tayo para mas madali niyong maintindihan. Bibigyan ako ng mga examples para mas maging clear sa inyo yung difference ng pre-increment at post-increment kasi dito yung medyo nakakalitong part eh. So punta tayo ulit sa online GDB. So balik tayo sa online GDB. Paste ko na yung aking code. Okay. So dito sa aking code, so meron tayong apat na test data o 4 test data. Okay? So yung first two test data natin, i-demonstrate nito yung difference ng pre-increment tsaka pre-decrement. Okay, i-run natin. Okay. So una, dinisplay niya yung header. So ito 'yon. Then itong line number 8, actually meron tayong tatlong assignment statement dito. Okay? So una, nag-initialize tayo ng variable A. So nag-assign tayo ng value 1. Then yung second statement natin dito, assignment natin, gumamit tayo ng pre-increment. Okay, nasa unahan yung plus plus. So ang value ni A dito is 1. Okay? Since pre-increment ito, ang gagawin ni C++, no, mag-a-add muna siya ng 1 bago niya i-assign kay variable B. Okay? So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 ang magiging value ni B. Ngayon, si A ngayon na dating 1 magiging 2 na ngayon. Okay? Kasi nag-increment ng 1. Na siya naman i-assign kay variable C. So ano magiging values ngayon? So si A is naging 2 kasi nag-increment ng 1. Si B is 2 kasi nga nung inassign natin si B, nag-increment muna siya ng 1 kasi pre-increment siya. Then yung 2 na value ni A, yun naman ang inassign natin kay variable C. So mapapansin nyo, yung output natin, lahat ng variables natin dito is 2. Okay, now, next, second data natin. Pre-decrement naman to. Okay, kaya mayroon kang minus-minus sa unahan. So, ang initial value ng A is 1. So, bagong i-assign kay B yan, magma-minus 1 muna. 1 minus 1 is 0. Kaya si B natin is 0. Okay? Then, saka ngayon magiging 0 ngayon si A after may i-assign kay B. Okay? So, ngayon, siya naman ngayon na i-assign kay variable C. Kaya, kita nyo, yung values ng A, B, C, lahat ng values niya is 0. Okay. Now, yung third and fourth test data natin, dinedemonstrate nito yung post-increment tsaka post-decrement. Okay? So, parehas pa rin yung ating test value, no? 1. Okay? Pero this time, post-increment na tayo. Ano ibig sabihin nun? So, dinisplay muna natin yung, ano, no, yung header. Ito muna yun. Okay? So, pag-focus na kayo dito. Okay? So, ito yung result ng ating third test data. So, 1 yung ating A. So, bago pa man mag-increment yan, kasi post eh, i-assign mo muna kay variable B. Kaya si B dito is 1 eh. Okay? Then, after nitong statement na to, so, ang mangyayari kay A, magpa-plus 1. So, naging 2. Okay? Na siya namang in-assign kay variable C. Kaya yung result mo is A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1, at C is equal to 2. For our fourth test data, okay? So, initialize ulit tayo ng A. This time, post-decrement. So, ibig sabihin yan, bago ka mag-minus, assign mo muna kay B yung value ni A. Kaya 1 yan. Then, nag-minus 1. So, yung A mo naging 0. So, nagbago yung value ng A mo. Okay? Then, saka ngayon siya inassign kay C. Kaya yung output natin, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to 0. Let's talk about exponent. Na-mention ko na kanina, no, na walang exponent operator sa C++. Unlike in Python that has asterisk asterisk for exponent operator. C++ and Java do not include exponent operator. But there are alternative ways to replicate exponent operations. Pwede tayong gumamit ng repeated multiplication using for loop. I've separate video discussing exponentiation in C++. Panoorin nyo na lang yung video ko kasi dinedemonstrate ko doon kung paano gamitin ang for loop for exponentiation. Since nasa earlier part pa lang tayo ng C++, demonstrate ko lang dito kung paano gamitin yung POW function or yung POW function. Balik tayo ulit sa online GDB. So balik tayo sa online GDB, post ko dito yung ating program. Okay? So importante no, naka-declare yung ating math library kasi try nating i-comment out. Yan. Hindi niya kasi makikilala yung ating POW function. Run natin. So yun, nakita nyo, POW was not declared. So kailangan lagi mong de-declare yung math library kasi part siya ng, yung POW part siya ng math point H. So kung wala nito, hindi niya, ganito yung marireceive yung error. Okay, so meron tayong tatlong variable, base, exponent, tsaka yung ating, yung raised, no, equivalent niya. Okay, so ito yung ating function. So 2 is our base, exponent is 3. So 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. So 8 ang magiging value nito. So ang magiging output nito bali is 2 raised to the power of, ito yung 3, is equal to 8. So run natin. So tama yung ating output. So baguhin natin. Let's say 5 raised to the power of 2. So ano magiging output, magiging value ng RES natin dito is 25. So run natin. So tama siya. So yan yung equivalent ng exponent no sa ating C++. Pwede tayong gumamit ng POW function na part siya ng math library. Ang next kong i-discuss is about basic assignment operators. Last time kasi ang napag-aralan lang natin ay yung simple assignment. Simple assignment, ang symbol ay single equal sign. It assigns values from right side operands to left side operand. Nasa left side ng equal sign ang target variable at nasa right side naman ng equal sign ang value or expression na i-assign natin sa variable. So sa ating example, value 5 is assigned to variable x, or pwede ding expression 5 plus 2 which is equal to 7 is assigned to variable x. So kapag expression, evaluate muna ang value ng expression, then saka natin i-assign sa variable na nasa left. Sa add and assignment naman, ang symbol is plus equal sign. It adds right operand to the left operand and assign the result to left operand. Sa example, yung x add assignment 9 is equivalent to x plus 9 is assigned to variable x. Add ang 9 sa variable x at assign ang result sa variable x. Ganun din ang equivalent niya. Pare-pareho lang ang pattern nila. Subtract and assignment. Ang symbol is minus equal sign. It subtracts right operand from the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. Nakikita nyo dito, x minus assignment 2 is equivalent to x minus 2 is assigned to variable x. Next is multiply and assignment. Ang symbol naman ito is asterisk equal sign. It multiplies right operand with the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. So yung x multiply assignment 9 is the same with x multiplied by 9 is assigned to variable x. Divide and assignment. Ang symbol is slash equal sign. It divides left operand with the right operand and assign the result to the left operand. So yung x divide assignment 2 is the same with x divided by 2 is assigned to variable x. Lastly, we have modulus and assignment. Ang symbol is percentage equal sign. It takes modulus using two operands and assign the result to the left operand. So yung x modulo assignment 5 is the same with x modulo 5 assigned to variable x. Madali lang naman maintindihan yan, parang shortcut lang ang ginagawa dito. Para mas maiksi yung pagtatype natin ng ating assignment with arithmetic operators. Pero kung nalilito kayo sa paggamit ng combination of arithmetic and assignment, pwede naman yung longer syntax, okay lang naman yun. Ang last kong ipapaliwanag yung difference ng assignment operator at comparison equal to operator. Pareho silang gumagamit ng equal sign. Pero sa assignment operator, the symbol is single equal sign. Samantalang sa comparison equal to operator, double equal sign ang gamit niya. Assignment operator changes the value of the variable, meaning napapalitan yung value ng variable kapag assignment operation. Samantalang yung comparison equal to operator compares values of the variables. Kino-compare niya lang yung value pero hindi niya pinapalitan. Comparison equal to operator is used in defining condition. The condition is used in conditional or if statement. Again, ang assignment operator, single equal sign ang ginagamit. Ang comparison equal to ay double equal sign. So ito yung ating given sample program. Maganda, itry natin sa online GDB. So nasa online GDB na tayo. Ito yung ating program. O papaliwanag natin dito yung difference ng assignment tsaka yung comparison equal to. So i-run natin yung program. Ayan. Ito yung ating assignment. So pinapalitan niya yung value ng x, no? Ginawa niyang 5. Pagdating naman dito, comparison operator na to. So ibig sabihin, yung value ng x, kino-compare mo kung equal siya sa value ng 10. Pero hindi pinapalitan yung value ng x, no? Kino-compare lang natin siya sa another value. Okay? So, ano ba to? True or false? So, false siya, no? Kasi yung x natin is equal to 5, so hindi siya equal sa 10. So, pupunta ngayon siya dito. Kaya, yung first display natin, value x is not equal to 10. Kaya nung dinisplay niya yung value ng x, 5 pa rin yung value. Kasi yung assignment natin, dito lang nangyari yon. Dito, nag-compare lang tayo ng values. So, pero makikita mo parehong equal sign ng ginagamit. So, yun, no? Huwag kayong malilito ron. Ang assignment operator is nag-change tayo ng value ng variable. Samantalang yung comparison is nagko-compare tayo ng left side at ng right side value. So we are done. Kung madami kang natutunan sa video na to, pakiclick naman ng like button. At kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, i-click mo na rin ang subscribe. Idamay mo na rin ang notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa susunod ko pang mga tutorial videos. Thank you for watching!